from time to time you need to draw pictures of people, maybe for greeting cards that you're making yourself, school projects, or just drawing for fun. How do you draw people? Stick figures? Expressionless faces? Why not put some feelings in those faces? How do you do that? Very easily. You start by looking in the mirror. And look at your own face when you change the feelings inside you. For example, think happy thoughts. What happens to your face? Mouth turns up, eyebrows raise. What happens when you think sad thoughts? Mouth goes down and maybe your eyebrows droop a little bit. How about angry? Your eyebrows come down and almost cover your eyes and your mouth may be crooked. How about surprised? Eyebrows raised, eyes wide open and mouth open as well. Think of those little changes that we saw as a kind of shorthand and try them out on simple faces. Here are 4 expressionless faces. Not doing anything right now, but we can easily make the first one appear happy by simply curving the corners of the mouth upwards and raising eyebrows. There we are. Now it looks happy. Sad, do the opposite. Corners of the mouth downwards and eyebrows drooping. Looks sad. What about angry? Well, what did we see before? The mouth crooked and the eyebrows coming down, almost covering the eyes. Look at that. Anger. How about surprise? Well, that's easy. Wide open eyes and the eyebrows way up in the air and the mouth wide open. Now we have surprise. Very easy, isn't it? Here's something to try for your desk at home or at school. 2 faces that magically change from one to the other. Start with an expressionless face. There we are. Nose, ears, eyes. And add a mouth. Make it straight across. That'll also be expressionless. There we are. And the eyebrows, straight across. Still no expression in the face. Then you begin folding. Here's how you do it. You start by folding the face in halves right down through the nose. There we are. Make sure that that fold cuts the nose in halves and press down. Then turn the whole face inside out so that the fold now obscures the face. There it is inside there. 2 more folds. One of them folds the side of the face over and it must be carefully positioned so that the eye is just on the outside of the fold. There it is. Then, once again, turn the face right over and another fold, once again with the eye on the outside of the fold. There we are. Now, you'll have a strange looking face with 3 folds in it and you'll find that you can stand this face up. Now, so far, you'll see that it's fairly expressionless. The mouth and the eyebrows are straight. But when you stand it up on your desk, look what it does. It suddenly looks sad. If you lay it down flat or lean it back, it takes on a happy appearance. So you can put that on your desk, either upright or leaning back, and let your friends know how you feel inside. Actually, when you look at it yourself, you'll probably laugh so much you'll end up being happy anyway.
I want to know. Curiosity.